All right, welcome back to the Pepe community. Appreciate you guys as always. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with Pepe. I know I've been receiving a lot of comments lately. Hey, Crypto ZX, please make a Pepe update. Shout out to each and every one of you guys, of course. But yeah, let's take a look at what is happening with our good old friend Pepe right now. So down about 11.2% on the daily time frame. Shouldn't really be a surprise to any one of you at this point because the broader market is seeing a retracement based off of the FOMC meeting, the way it went. If you watch my market analysis update, you guys know what I said in that. But yeah, let's take a closer look and really understand what's happening with Pepe's price right now. So the price is currently sitting at 19.15. So we have dropped below the 2,000 zone, currently sitting at about 4 zeros, down 8.7% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative as well. Market valuation at $8 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about 3.7 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So the holder count is growing. We did see that little bit of a pullback back, last week, but, you are seeing the holder count picking up back, towards the upside, currently sitting at 355,669 holders as of now. And believe it or not, I know a lot of people are going to come out and say this. We did see right now the Pepe's price has retraced, of course. But I think, what a lot of people are ignoring, what I'm going to kind of go into when I pull out the charts, it'll make a little bit more sense. And that's how I'm looking at it. And sometimes the on-chain data speaks for itself as well. But if you're looking across the board, we have seen a tremendous drop for meme coins over the course of the last 7 days. 30, some are down 40, 50%. At the end of the day, meme coins, of course, can bring you a lot of gains, a lot of excitement. But at the same time, these are highly, highly risky assets. So just because a thing can go up and you're all excited, you need to understand in the back of your head that, these coins can drop as fast. And, of course, that is what's happening right now. At the end of the day, I've been quite clear upon this. I think only a few of these coins, a few handful of coins are going to be here to stay in the next few years. But after, this bull cycle is over, only a few will be here to stay. But most of them are going to go to zero. And it's a, it's a tough pill to, swallow, but it is the reality. But let's take a closer look and really understand what's going on. So, dominance obviously spiked up quite fast today because Bitcoin saw a major retracement. Not a surprise to us, but Bitcoin has reclaimed back above $100,000. Great to see. But I really want you guys to take a look at Pepe. So here, if you're looking at Pepe right now, you actually started to see Pepe showing, a retracement before this pullback as well. What a lot of people are not realizing is, I'm sure everyone knows about the Pengu airdrop. Pengu airdrop was, given to people that hold the Pudgy Penguins, that hold, the NFTs, other, collections. So pretty much what I saw on chain was that a lot of big whales, believe it or not, for Pepe that hold Pepe from day one, actually were liquidating their Pepe into the NFTs, to get that airdrop. And believe it or not, that actually happened and some big whales started pulling out money. If you are good at tracking on-chain data, you can clearly see that happening because, of course, guess what? That was a 6-figure airdrop. And, there was one whale, that tweet kind of gained a lot of traction as well. He or she was dumping, I would say, $10-15 million worth, I think $10-15 million USD worth of Pepe. And out of the $10-15, some of that money, not all, was to purchase some of these NFTs, these Pudgy Penguins. And I'm sure they were able to pretty much double that instantly after, getting that airdrop, because the airdrop for the big Pudgies was $100,000, which is absolutely insane to think about. But, this is part of the game. Am I, shocked at this move towards the downside for Pepe? Absolutely not. We need to understand how the market works. We need to understand dominance has been picking up pretty much since December 6th. If you kind of look at the correlation from December 6th, you have seen the price pulling down. And Bitcoin has seen volatility over the course of the last few days, of course, and not just Pepe is down. I want you guys to realize that pretty much all the big boys right now are down. So if you like meme coins, if you understand, when there is a lot of bloodbath across the board, that is an opportunity to be accumulating. I do believe that we still have more upside left. I think 2025 year is going to be amazing. I still believe the remainder of December is going to end off on a positive note. But sometime next year, early next year, we are going to see market shakeout, unless of course mega bullish news coming out. But I think there is going to come a time where you do see that boring momentum come again. And that's where a lot of people are going to get, shaken out. A lot of people are going to leave crypto. The ones that are here to stay, I think, are going to really ride the wave into obviously the end of the year. That's how I'm personally projecting it. But let's see what happens, of course. So right now, of course, the broader market is down. Not just Pepe. If you're looking at the likes of Bonk, if you're looking at the likes of Dog with Hat, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, everything is down right now. Part of the game, but. If you're looking at the price right now, I want you guys to take a look at it on the hourly time frame real quick. So of course, the price after it dropped below the 2158. Remember the 2158 level? We dropped below this, of course, and we are retesting some of the early December levels. And if this does not hold, we could be retesting the previous all-time high support, which is literally at the 1734 zone. So that's still on the table, believe it or not. We came very close to retesting it just a few hours back, and that would be a 10.45% move towards the downside. So I want you guys to be prepared for that if that were to happen. That's my personal projections. I do believe Pepe still has legs in itself, but we cannot ignore what's happening with the broader market because that sends a correlation to the broader market, including Pepe. So that's not an exception. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.